Welcome to the April 2023 issue of Onsite Installer. On the cover, Shane Broyhill says he's not the cheapest and never will be. Find out how his attention to detail and total commitment to each project make sure his customers are happy to pay top dollar. Jim Kneisel, editor of Onsite Installer, offers some tips for attracting the workers you need to keep up with demand. And be sure to let Jim know if these tips were helpful. Our experts talk about root intrusion and how installers can avoid being the cause of problems. A new oil pipeline was constructed right through the drainfield shared by 2 homes on a large family property. Read up on the challenges Canadian Septic faced when replacing the old system. If you're taking on large-scale and commercial treatment systems, be sure to check out the products designed for these applications. Turn to page 28. These case studies help visualize how contractors managed some interesting large-scale installations. We catch up with Mike Krepfel in New Mexico, who tells a story about a challenging job pumping a lagoon in a mine. In the spotlight is software My Komatsu, which allows you to monitor your entire mixed equipment fleet with one app. Be sure to stay current with ever-changing rules and regs, including some pushback to new rules in Massachusetts. Why not share your tough job stories with Onsite Installer readers? Email editor@onsiteinstaller.com. Thanks for watching, stay safe out there, and see you next month.